Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to view all downloads on Google TV.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. We're going to head over to the File Manager Plus application. It could be any file manager of choice, but this is the one we're using for this video, the File Manager Plus app. So I have other videos showing you how to download and install file managers on Google TV. Locate the video, watch it, get a file manager and click on it to launch. Now when you see this manager launching, it brings you a very simple layout with icons showing you the different categories. You can see apps, documents, videos, audios, images, and so on. So you could do storage analysis, you could go to the main storage and check the drive. But for this video, I'm bringing your attention to the downloads folder. So come over to the downloads folder and click on it to get in. And when you're in the downloads folder, you can navigate and see all the different applications you have downloaded or different files you have downloaded on this device. You can see downloads from specific downloading applications like the downloader app. If I click on this, you can see different files from downloader folder, and all other downloads you have on your device will show up here. So navigate and check on what you have in the download folder and what you're looking for. So basically that's it. That's how to view all downloads on Google TV. If you found that insightful, smash that like button, or you to hit the subscribe button to be part of the channel. It really supports us and motivates us to give more content like this. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, DaveTech.